US Supreme Court faces pivotal decision on TikTok ban amid national security concern. In a landmark case with profound implication for digital freedom and international relations, the US Supreme Court has agreed to deliberate on TikTok and its parent company ByteDance's legal challenge against a law mandating the app's divestiture or a complete operational ban. This critical decision, scheduled for hearing on January 10, has sparked widespread debate over privacy, national security, and free speech rights in an increasingly interconnected digital era. The law in question, enacted in April, requires ByteDance to sell TikTok by January 19, 2024, or face a nationwide ban. The Justice Department asserts that TikTok, with its vast access to American user data, possesses an immense national security threat. The app's capacity to access private information, including users' location and messages, coupled with alleged content manipulation capabilities, underscores these concerns. However, TikTok vehemently denies these allegations, maintaining that it possesses no immediate risk to US security. The central issue revolves around the First Amendment, which protects free speech. TikTok and ByteDance argue that the government's intervention constitutes censorship, depriving Americans of their right to choose whether to engage with the platform despite alleged risks. They contend that this sets a dangerous precedent for restricting access to information and stifling the open internet. Conversely, US authorities cite the app's potential misuse by the Chinese government as justification for their action, emphasizing the need to safeguard Americans' data from foreign exploitation. The implications of this case stretch beyond TikTok. A ban would disrupt the lives of its 170 million users, potentially alienate content creators, and undermine businesses relying on the platform for marketing and revenue. ByteDance predicts a 1 month shutdown could result in losing a third of TikTok's US user base, severely damaging its economic viability. Moreover, the case could set a precedent for future government crackdowns on foreign-owned tech platforms, with parallel drawn to the Trump administration's 2020 attempt to ban WeChat. The outcome could redefine the landscape of digital trade and privacy regulation in the United States. This legal battle unfolds against the backdrop of escalating trade tension between the US and China. Recent actions, such as the Biden administration's restrictions on the Chinese chip industry and Beijing's retaliatory bans on the key exports, have strained relations further. The TikTok ban, if enforced, risks exacerbating these diplomatic frictions with potential ripple effects across global tech markets. The Supreme Court's upcoming ruling will serve as a defining moment in the intersection of technology policy and civil liberties. If TikTok's appeal succeeds, it will reaffirm America's commitment to an open internet. Conversely, a ban could signify a shift toward tighter controls over foreign digital platforms. As millions of Americans, businesses, and policymakers await the January 10 hearing, the case underscores a critical question: can national security and digital freedom coexist in an era of geopolitical mistrust? The answer may chart the course for the future of the global digital economy.